In this video, I'm going to show you my results of 300 days, the biggest results I ever have for yield farming, the oldest result I have for yield farming. I'm going to show you my pool, what I'm farming in Orca, and also I'm going to show you everything, how much money I made, how much deposit I made, when I made the deposit, and everything you need to know. Okay, so my name is Crypto Phil. If you don't know me, I'm doing a lot of video for yield farming, passive income, how to make passive income, miners, nodes, and so on and so on. So I did close this pool 2 days ago, but I was here for 287 days, so almost 300 days into this pool. This is my oldest pool, and I just closed, and I will tell you the reason why. And here I will show you all the months, how much money I made, did they lose, did they don't lose, and what's happened with this pool. Now, again, this is yield farming. So if you go here for Orca, what I'm using Orca to yield farm on Solana, basically what's happening is we're providing liquidity. They are trading fees for, like, let's say for this pool for the last 24 hours, there is almost 60,000 bucks into fees, and all this money are shared between everybody who provide liquidity. So simple as that, how it's explained for yield farming. We provide liquidity, we are the market makers. When you trade, you pay very small fees, and that fee are split between everybody who provide liquidity, and I am providing the liquidity. So let's go and let's dig in up what was that pool. Let me see, can you see everything? Yes, you can. Let me just put my face just like that. Okay, so this is the pool. So the pool, it's popcat and viv. Again, popcat and viv. So popcat right now is crash all-time low, pretty much. The pop with dog with hat also is crashing a lot, like crazy, as the rest of the market. But we still making passive income. Of course, many times I've been out of range and I need to rebalance probably like 15-20 times in the last 300 days, and that is normal. So let me give you the numbers. So again, this is not financial advice, so don't put more money you can afford to lose. Just a big disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. This is only for entertainment and education purposes only. All right, so let's go back to the video, because many people ask me to share you the longest pool I ever been. And this is a meme tokens. I know many people hate the meme tokens, but they are printing money for the last 300 days, not so much for the last few weeks time, for the last couple of months, because they've been crashing a lot, and it's painful. It's painful, I will tell you. Again, not everything is green and rainbow in crypto and yield farming, but if you find the good correlated tokens, even they crash 80% down. Even you see popcat is down for what, 90% popcat is down. Dog with hat is almost the same, 90%. You see 87.6%. 87.6% is popcat. It's crazy how they're so correlated, and I'll tell you how much I invest. So let's go on. So I invest here almost 300 days ago. My last action was 2 days ago. Don't look these numbers, doesn't make sense here. I'll show you, and let me explain. So from my total investment at the end was 785 bucks. Now they worth 385 bucks, and I got out. Okay, so let me go here. You will see here my initial investments right here. Let me just zoom out for you. Can you see this, everything? Yes, nicely. Let me just zoom out, maybe. Perfect. Okay, so my first deposit was, again, 9 months ago and 1 week. That's crazy, 9 months ago. So if somebody was pregnant, they're going to have the baby in 9 months. Yay. So just a joke. Now check this out. So initial investments, I put here 1,000 bucks. Okay, and then after a week, I did claim. My pool went down again. My pool went down after 2 months, and then you can see fee check and claim. But here, after around 3 months after that, I did deposit 1,000 bucks more. Okay, and then I have another deposit 2 months after that, around 215 bucks. This is from the fee. So here, fee check. So wherever I claim, so pretty much I deposit back there. Okay, so that's the fee, but doesn't matter, that's still your money. So what's happened is you will see here that I did withdraw just after that almost 1,200 bucks. Okay, so my pool was worth it 2,000 bucks. From 2,000 bucks, this was the biggest pumping of the market, and my pool was right here. Actually, my pool worth $3,600. $3,600. This was when the popcat was all-time high right here, when the popcat was around almost $2. And I'll tell you why I didn't get out of this pool. And here a dog with hat was around, if I go to max, was around almost right here, was pumping like crazy in November, I think was, or April, I think was in November, was almost $4. Okay, let me see popcat in November. Yeah, they're both in November, because popcat's supposed to be listed in on Binance but never happened. It's just on Binance future but not on the spot market. So that was the reason why I did not claim a lot. And then the market went downhill and the price started dropping. Otherwise, I was thinking to take out 50% and just cash out. Why? Because it was too much high for me. But I was waiting that a Binance listing, because if that was going to happen, the price going to be here probably 40-50% more, and then I was going to cash out. But you see, we all learning from mistakes. What's mean the mistakes is here, you need to take more profits. Okay, I'm happy I didn't compound like crazy, so that's very good. If you need to take screenshot, take a screenshot. Let me see, can you see everything? Yes. So here you will see that just after that, let me see, so from 3,600 bucks right here, what was 3,600 was right here. Let me just go back right here. So this is the biggest what was, then start dropping down and down and down, and it's very, very painful. And finally I said, okay, I need to withdraw some money, so I took some money out here, okay, around 500 bucks. So basically just imagine 3,600, I took out around 560, so let's put around 3,000. So from 3,000 bucks, I put here a little bit money. My money, I don't have any windrow, no. My money went to only almost 400 bucks. So from 3,000 bucks, my money went now are 385 bucks, because the price dropped from almost $2, and today price is around 24-25 cents when I withdraw all the money. Okay, and I'll tell you why. So remember, when I ape in, the price of popcat was in May, and that was around 50 something cents, 16th of May right here. It was around 52 cents, around 50 cents. It was double than this price. Okay, so overall, let's go and do the maths. How much profit I made and what is it worth it or not? Again, this is a long game. It's not get rich fast scheme. Okay, it's not like get in and get out. So this is, for me, it's a long run. Again, don't look this number. So again, overall, my total investments after I withdraw all the money was left with 785 bucks, and I get out at the end with 385 bucks, was giving minus 50% from my investment. However, the fees what I made are $1,800. Again, $1,800 are the fees what I made in all these 9 months time, and that is a lot. Again, if you check this out at the end, fees plus price in total, I made 1,400 bucks in profit, or almost 180% in profit. Correct? Correct. So this LP pool for me was very successful. And now let me give you the answer why I got out. The reason why I got out is, and everything is in popcat. Okay, I think I left 250-300 bucks in popcat. The other one I put in Solana. Why? Because I'm thinking if I sell now, I'm selling in all-time low. Again, why I got out? I'll tell you the pool. Because I'm thinking if the market come back in, because this is a good blue chip a meme token with cat, popcat, and also it's listed, I think, on Coinbase if I'm not mistaken now. So if there we go, Coinbase. So if the market, when the market going to come back, don't be surprised this is going to pump back to $2. What's going to give me around 9x from right here. So if I hold this 300 bucks from now, if they do 9x, I'm going to make around 3,000 bucks. This money going to worth around 3,000 bucks, and then I'm going to sell most of it. Okay, or I'll just take slowly profit after this go over $1.50, because if this get listed again on Binance, I expect this one going to pump. Again, not financial advice. advice, but that's my opinion. I don't want to sell in all-time low. It's not all-time low, but it's very, very low. Look, it's like you buying in a year ago and something. So that's why I sold, because to go up together with dog with hat, it's very hard. They're going to get out of range many times, and my value from 385, if they jump to $2, I will don't be surprised to be maybe just double or maybe to $1,000. So if they go out a lot of times from coloration, the price will be worth around 1,000 maybe bucks if you try to rebalance. But if you just leave it and enjoy the price appreciation from this price right now, well, that will be different story. Again, if I was new investor with new money, I might hold a pool. I have another pool for popcat and whiff, and that was also another reason why I get out from this pool. Okay, so again, if you're new, if you're investing in something which is very low now, it's completely different. This is because I lost a lot of value here. Again, if the money you never put them in, they're not yours, that means you never lost, but it's still painful to see how they drop from 3,000 bucks to 400 bucks. Okay, so let me just show you the pool. So if you go right here, let me just see, can you see? Okay, so this is Orca. Again, that's third DEX, the biggest DEX on Solana. So if you just go here and put popcat, okay, yeah, be careful there. Popcat, make sure you have the correct address. So popcat and whiff, okay, the fees are only 429 bucks, but the trading volume is 270 bucks, and the TVL is only 93,000 bucks. I still have some a pull here, again pretty much again around 400 bucks. That's also way down, but I left that one. And if you go right here, okay, and you will see here on the side, let me just see, can you see the percentage? Yeah, so how much you're going to bet? Let's say if you put in some, you go to custom and then you put your range. Again, the range what I had here is right now it's around 14, 15 down, around 20 up. And in this range, what is 30% up and down, because still this popcat and whiff are very correlated, okay, most of the time, you can still make around 0.7% per day. Okay, maybe I even put around 20 something percent up for the popcat, because I think popcat going to outperform a dog with hat. So I will play maybe around 60% popcat and 40% whiff, and this will be more towards the popcat for the range to go up. Okay, right here 20 with 13. Okay, minus 13 plus 20. So few things here I need to mention to you. If you never watch any of my video, make sure you watch this video using crypto to make difference, how I'm helping in India. Watch the most important video, who is nobody watching, but is very sad, is how to stay safe in crypto. There are many tips there. If you're interested to get a node for 99 bucks, miner and a node, definitely watch this video here. And I'm going to drop a new video here, because with this miner, you earning 4 different tokens only for 99 bucks. And if you want to learn about yield farming, how to start for free, join definitely Crypto Lab Research. Look the underdog week in review in just 2 days ago, just yesterday actually. This is for free. So right here on the left side, let me just move my face right here. So check this out. So just right here on the left side, there we go. Can you see it? Yes. So right here on the left side, look, this is all for free. So join Crypto Lab Research, use the link down and start learning. This is hours and hours of free education, free entertainment, not entertainment, free courses for all of you. Okay, hours and hours. And if you complain where to learn, where to start, this is the actually place to start. If you decide to get with paid subscription, okay, after you learn all this for free, if you still want to join the paid one, make sure you say Crypto Phil recommend you, because we're going to get nice feedback the second month you pay. You're going to get, I think, half of the price. All right, thank you so much. Let me know if you farming any of these pools, if you don't farming any of these pools, and what do you think about popcat and whiff? Is it very risky, or is it still good one for the next bull market? Love you all, and I will see you in the next one.